Are you on the hunt for a healthy, scrumptious breakfast recipe that also aids in weight loss? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the world of Akkoranian cuisine to whip up a breakfast that's not only bursting with flavor but also loaded with nutrients. This recipe is simple, straightforward, and sure to make your morning meal more exciting. What's more, it's designed to help you manage your weight without sacrificing taste. Stay tuned and let's discover this fantastic recipe together. To kickstart your day with this nourishing breakfast, gather the following ingredients. You'll need a half cup of whole oats, a staple in many health-conscious diets. They're packed with fiber and can help you feel full longer. Next, you need 1 cup of water to cook those oats. Don't forget about the protein. A 1/4 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt will do the trick. It's a delicious way to add some creaminess to your breakfast. To sweeten things up a bit, include 1 teaspoon of natural honey. This golden delight not only adds a touch of sweetness but also has antioxidant properties. Now let's bring in some freshness with a sliced banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium and can provide a quick energy boost. And finally, for a bit of crunch and additional nutrients, garnish with chopped nuts. Almonds or walnuts are an excellent choice. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to cook. Cooking this breakfast is as simple as it gets. Let's get started. First things first, gather your half cup of whole oats and pour them into a small saucepan. Now, add in 1 cup of water. Give it a little stir to combine the oats and water. Place this saucepan over medium heat and let it work its magic until it reaches a gentle boil. Once you see the bubbles start to form, it's time to adjust the heat. Reduce it to low and let the oats simmer. This is where the real transformation happens. Over the next 5 to 7 minutes, the oats will soften, absorb the water, and become tender. This is the perfect time to stir occasionally, ensuring the oats don't stick to the bottom of the pan and cook evenly. When the oats are tender and fully cooked, you're ready for the next step. Carefully transfer them into a serving bowl and allow them to cool slightly. We're not looking for cold oats here, just a bit cooler so that the yogurt doesn't curdle when added. Now for a touch of creamy goodness, take your 1/4 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt and add it to the cooked oats. But wait, we're not done yet. We need a hint of sweetness, don't we? That's where a teaspoon of natural honey comes in. Drizzle it over the yogurt and oats. Then mix everything well until they're combined beautifully, creating a creamy, sweet, and hearty oatmeal base. It's time to shift our attention to the toppings. Slice up a banana and arrange the slices on top of the oatmeal. The banana not only adds a pop of color, but also a burst of natural sweetness and texture. Finally, for that extra crunch and a dose of healthy fats, we're going to sprinkle some chopped nuts over the top. You can choose your favorites, like almonds or walnuts. Their nutty taste and crunchy texture create a delightful contrast with the creamy oatmeal and soft banana slices. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've whipped up a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. It's a meal that will keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. And it's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. Voila! Your healthy and delicious breakfast is ready to be enjoyed. Not only is this breakfast delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. That's right. Every ingredient used in this Akkoranian breakfast recipe plays a significant role in your health and weight management. Let's start with the whole oats. Oats are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, including a specific type known as beta-glucan. This type of fiber can reduce both total and LDL cholesterol, known as the bad cholesterol, and it also helps to keep you feeling full for longer. This can be especially beneficial when you're trying to lose weight, as it can help to curb those mid-morning snack cravings. Next, we have Greek yogurt. This is not just any yogurt, it's a protein powerhouse. The protein found in Greek yogurt is almost double that of regular yogurt. And protein is an essential component of any weight loss diet. It helps to preserve lean muscle mass while you lose weight and keeps you feeling satisfied after meals. Finally, we can't forget about the chopped nuts. While they might be small, they're mighty when it comes to their nutritional profile. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, contain healthy fats and fiber that can help to control your appetite. Plus, they're a great source of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. So, not only does this breakfast keep you full, but it also helps you maintain a healthy weight. With this Akkoranian breakfast, you're not just eating a meal, you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients that support your health goals. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and healthy breakfast recipe that aids in weight loss. We've walked through the steps of creating a nutritious Akkoranian breakfast, using wholesome ingredients like whole oats, low-fat Greek yogurt, natural honey, fresh banana, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. And let's not forget our exploration of fascinating Russian lunch and dinner options, both offering a unique blend of flavors and nutrients that your body will thank you for. These recipes not only tantalize your taste buds, but also contribute to your health and wellness goals. The Akkoranian breakfast is packed with fiber and protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. The Russian beetroot borscht and beef stroganoff are hearty, comforting, and packed with nutritious vegetables and lean proteins. Whether you're seeking to lose weight or simply want to add some variety to your meals, these recipes are a great place to start. Give this recipe a try and start your day off right. Stay healthy and happy cooking.